Welcome to our channel,
where we offer insights and information on finance and investment. In this video, we will be discussing the 5 penny stocks to buy now. Penny stocks can be a risky investment, but with the right information, you can make informed decisions that will help you build wealth. So, let's get started. 1.
Sundial Growers Inc.
SNDL. Sundial Growers is a Canadian-based cannabis company that produces and distributes cannabis products.
The company's stock has been volatile in recent years, but with the growing demand for cannabis products,
Sundial Growers is expected to continue to grow in the coming years.
2. Nokia Corporation, NOK.
Nokia Corporation is a Finnish multinational telecommunications, information technology, and consumer electronics company. The company's stock has been trading at low levels in recent years. But with the company's focus on 5G technology and partnerships with key players in the industry, Nokia is expected to rebound in the coming years. 3. Zomedica Corp. ZOM. Zomedica Corp. is a veterinary diagnostic and pharmaceutical company that develops and commercializes products for companion animals. The company's stock has been volatile in recent years, but with the growing demand for animal healthcare products, Zomedica is expected to continue to grow in the coming years.
4. Eton Pharmaceuticals, Inc.
Eton. Eton Pharmaceuticals is a specialty pharmaceutical company that develops and commercializes innovative products for the treatment of rare diseases. The company's stock has been volatile in recent years, but with the growing demand for rare disease treatments, Eton Pharmaceuticals is expected to continue to grow in the coming years.
5. Genworth Financial, Inc.
GNW. Genworth Financial is a leading provider of mortgage insurance and long-term care insurance. The company's stock has been trading at low levels in recent years, but with the growing demand for insurance products, Genworth Financial is expected to rebound in the coming years. That concludes our discussion of the 5 penny stocks to buy now. Keep in mind that investing in penny stocks involves risks, and it's important to do your own research before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates on finance and investment.